I'm going to show you how you use word sets to write a story. So we'll just click on New Story, and then on the screen, instead of these modes here, we're going to go over to the Word Set Options button. Click on that. Now this is how you set up how you want the word sets to appear. So you can change the font size of the words. You can add pictures to words and they will appear as thumbnails. You can either click on the set words to bring them into the story or drag and drop. I've got this set at dragging and dropping. And then you can set whether you want the spoken word the word spoken as the mouse runs over it or not. And then I'm going to choose the word set. So click on word set. At the moment there are no word sets, so we're going to add a new word set. We'll give it a name, and I might just call it basic words. That will be my first set, but you can have multiple sets. Really what a set is a dictionary of words, and so you can have as many different dictionaries as you want. So I'm going to put in some basic words into this set of basic words. What you do is you just type. So I'm going to put I, and I edit. I'm going to put like, edit, the, ed, and, ed. Let's put in cat. And now you see the thumbnails appeared for cat, dog. Right, and there is my words. Once you're happy with the set of words you have, then you just hit the tick button, and there is my set. Now to use a set of words, all you do is click on the set. Again, you can change those options if you want to, and then hit the tick button. Let's go into standard mode. And you'll see there are my words that I put into the set. So to use those words in a word set now, it's just a matter of dragging them down.
And like, and cat, the.
Here we go.
And cat, and cat. And cat, the, and dog.
Here we go.
And
there is my set of words. There is my story from a set of words. I can listen to my story. Clicking on this
I like the cat and the dog.
And you can also change the words down below as well. I'll delete that set and just show you what that might look like. Often students might bring in what they think are the most important words, not necessarily the words in the right order for the sentence.
Dog.
So maybe it might be they might do this.
And cat, I. And cat, dog, I.
There we go. Let's say they do it like this.
The, and
they've got
dog.
So they've got all the right words, but they've got them in the wrong order. Well, you can do something about that. There is down here on this little icon at the bottom. Click on that and click on the mouse. It will bring up the screen, and now you can move around the text. So I've changed my sentence to I like the dog. Hit the tick button. I'll just need to change that capital letter. There we go. I like the dog. And now we've written a story from a set of words.